guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shayla, and today's video is going to be all about signs that your manifestation is on the way. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. I'm trying to post every single day in the month of March, so make sure you follow along to see my new daily videos. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. So ultimately, there are a ton of signs that your manifestation is on the way, because when you kind of like start thinking about something that you want, you start to see it a lot more. So like, I know especially for like a certain car, if you like love a certain type of car, you will be driving and you'll just start seeing it. You might not even be driving, you might just be walking, you'll see someone driving it, or you'll see it on like Instagram, on your feed, or on Pinterest, or whatever, stuff like that. But for this method, I like to refer to it as birds before landing. I don't know where the saying came from, but essentially what it is that you see someone close to you, someone you know, or even it could be a stranger getting that thing that you want, or kind of having a similar experience of getting your manifestation or something that you want. So let's say you're manifesting a new car, because we just started there. Maybe you are at the dealership doing some test drives or something, and then you walk out of the dealership after and you see someone with their new car and they're taking pictures of it and they're so excited. That is like an example of birds before landing, because you see someone super excited and they have that car, and like you're wanting a new car too, so you just kind of see that, and it's kind of like a sign or assurance from the universe that like, okay, what you want is on its way to you. So yeah, another example could be, let's say you're trying to manifest a better relationship, a new relationship, or a certain person, and then your best friend comes and is in a relationship and you're like, oh my gosh, and you're so excited for her and she's so happy. That is also another sign of birds before landing. So it's kind of like a little tease from the universe that like whatever you want is on its way to you. You just have to like keep persisting in it, be patient with it. For me, for example, I do acting and modeling, and I had been put on hold for a role, which is essentially when they're not sure if they're gonna book you, but like you're in the queue right now for getting that role. So I got that email on the Friday and they said they would email me on the Tuesday. And I was so excited on Friday, and then I kind of realized, like, I've never been put on hold before, so I kind of realized the reality. I was like, oh, I might not get this role, but like I'm just so excited. So instead of focusing on like the, oh, I might not get it, I just persisted. I was like, I'm so excited. So that was getting the on hold was kind of like a birds before landing, because I have a goal to manifest a really big acting role, and that was honestly kind of a pretty big one. It's like going to be on like a pretty well-known platform, I think I can say. I don't know, I can't, so I'm not allowed to say too much, but so essentially I just persisted. I was like, I got it, I got the role. I just stayed in that energy of like, it's mine, like I have it. And the casting director was like, we'll email you Monday with the info, like if you got it. So Monday rolls around, I'm freaking out the whole day. I'm like checking my email literally every 5 minutes. They don't email me. And I'm like, I was really sad, but I'm like, you know what? Everything is happening for you, not to you. And rejection is just redirection. It wasn't meant to be my role. It wasn't meant for me. Tuesday rolls around and they book me and I get the role. So that was kind of like a really big tease from the universe of like, just persist in it, stay consistent. It's yours. It's already yours. Whatever you want is already yours. So it's really just like a tease from the universe that it's like, do you really want it? Or like, we're just showing you like you can have it too, essentially. So that's basically what birds before landing is, and a really sure sign that whatever you want is on its way to you, or making its way to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe again down below, and hit that bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Again, I'm trying to do like a March Madness, posting every single day in the month of March. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and let me know if you have any video requests, because I love taking them. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.